Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. This is for James, he's in Tennessee. Alright, James wanted to put this SR-8 mic on here. What is it? 198, SR-8 198. The chrome version is pretty. Okay. Got the power all the way down. Got that meter set to 10 watts again. That's where it usually sits. And we're a little over 1.5 watts. And if I turn it all the way up, it goes just over 10. So let's go just over 10. Be 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. And we're right about 12, 12.5. And 100 watt slug over here, so we'll be reading across the bottom right here between 60, coming real close to the 80 mark right there. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2. Oops. Oops, oops. Oh no, I'm in trouble. I hit a button, I don't know. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. We'll take it down. FM. Let's see, you got 40 all the way up and nothing all the way down. Zip. Okay. And that's the power of this radio. Pretty nice.
Oh man, the one time I made a motorcycle train, and they kind of figured me out. You don't even want to know. Check. How about a channel 19? Can I get a radio check, please, bigger? How about a 19? I might get now. Hello, break, break. You getting out? I appreciate it, driver. Thank you.
That's all you want to give me.